The video.
Alright.
This is our Bailey, and we came in to see how he is with the kitty cats, and he's fine, and now the cat's in my lap. He's probably about 4 years old. He's great in the house, seems to be housebroken, you know, very, very social, just a sweetheart. Probably some English Cocker in there, probably not 100%, but yes, but he's just a good old boy. We think he's probably about 4 years old, living with other dogs. Was found by a good Samaritan who was unable to find his family and contacted us to find him a new home. So, but just a love of a dog. If you want a gentle Cocker that's just real easygoing and doesn't require a whole lot of exercise, I don't think he probably has medium exercise needs. He'd probably really enjoy going for walks on the leash.
He's really good on the leash.
Yeah, I think if, you know, let's get him more towards you because he's getting in the dark.
You were just excited.
Yeah, there he is.
Yeah, he's good.
But anyway, just a great all-around dog. This is our Bailey.